Caring for kittens is both a joyful and delicate responsibility that requires attention to their physical, emotional, and developmental needs. From the moment a kitten arrives in your care, it's essential to establish an environment that supports their growth and helps them feel safe and loved. These tiny creatures, full of curiosity and energy, depend on you entirely for their well-being. Creating a secure environment is the first step. Kittens are naturally curious, often exploring every nook and cranny of their surroundings. This means you need to kitten-proof your home by removing potential hazards such as loose wires, small objects they could swallow, and toxic plants. Providing a designated space where they can acclimate to their new home is vital. This area should include soft bedding, a litter box, food, and water dishes, as well as a few toys to stimulate their playfulness. Kittens thrive in environments where they feel secure, so make this space a quiet retreat free from loud noises or heavy foot traffic. Nutrition plays a central role in their development. During the early weeks of life, kittens rely on their mother's milk or a kitten-specific milk replacer if they are orphaned. By the time they are about 4 weeks old, they can begin transitioning to solid food. High-quality, kitten-formulated wet food is ideal at this stage, as it is easy for them to chew and digest. Gradually, you can introduce dry kitten food, always ensuring fresh water is available. Kittens have specific dietary requirements that differ from adult cats, so feeding them appropriate food is crucial for their health and growth. Treats can also be introduced sparingly, especially as a reward for good behavior. Socialization is one of the most important aspects of kitten care. Early interactions help shape their behavior and personality, making them more adaptable and sociable as adults. Regular petting and gentle handling build trust and make them feel comfortable around humans. Playtime is equally essential. Toys that mimic prey, such as feather wands or small balls, engage their natural hunting instincts and provide physical exercise. You can also use simple household items like boxes or paper bags to spark their curiosity. However, it's crucial to redirect any biting or scratching behaviors during play by offering toys instead of using your hands. Training a kitten may sound challenging, but it's a rewarding process. Litter box training is usually straightforward, as most kittens have an instinct to bury their waste. Place them in the litter box after meals or naps and gently guide them if they seem unsure. Positive reinforcement, such as treats or praise, encourages them to use the litter box consistently. If accidents occur, clean the area thoroughly to eliminate odors and avoid scolding, as negative reactions can create fear or confusion. Introducing kittens to new experiences and people should be done gradually. Allow them to explore new environments at their own pace and ensure that interactions with other pets or humans are positive and controlled. Early exposure to a variety of situations, such as grooming, nail trimming, and handling, helps them become more adaptable and reduces stress in the future. Weekly grooming, including combing their fur and checking their ears, is a great way to bond with your kitten while maintaining their hygiene. Building a connection with your kitten involves understanding their unique personality and behaviors. Frequent petting, soft talking, and responding to their cues foster trust and deepen your bond. Pay attention to their body language, such as purring, tail movements, or ear positioning, as these can reveal their emotional state. By recognizing and respecting their needs, you create an environment where they feel secure and loved. Providing kittens with enrichment and stimulation ensures they remain engaged and happy. Interactive play sessions using toys that mimic hunting behavior are not only fun but also important for their mental and physical health. Rotating toys or introducing new textures and objects keeps them curious and prevents boredom. Rewarding good behavior with treats reinforces positive habits and makes training easier. As kittens grow, their energy levels and independence increase. Keeping up with their changing needs requires patience and attentiveness. Ensuring they receive regular veterinary care, including vaccinations and checkups, protects them from illnesses and parasites. Spaying or neutering your kitten at the appropriate age not only helps control the pet population but also contributes to their overall health and reduces unwanted behaviors. Caring for a kitten is a rewarding experience filled with moments of joy and discovery. By providing them with a safe environment, proper nutrition, socialization, and training, you set the foundation for a happy and healthy life. The bond you build with your kitten during these formative months will grow stronger with time, creating a lifelong friendship that enriches both your lives. As your kitten matures, maintaining consistency in their care and routine helps ensure their continued happiness and health. Beyond the basics of feeding, grooming, and socializing, there are additional steps you can take to nurture their development into well-adjusted adult cats. One of these is paying close attention to their physical activity and mental stimulation. Kittens are naturally energetic, and providing outlets for this energy is essential. Interactive toys, such as laser pointers or puzzle feeders, can challenge their minds while keeping them active. Introducing scratching posts or pads is another way to channel their instincts in a positive direction while protecting your furniture. Encourage climbing and exploration by setting up cat trees or shelves, creating vertical spaces that mimic their natural instincts to perch and observe their surroundings. As they grow, you may notice changes in their behavior, such as becoming more independent or asserting their preferences. This is a natural part of their development, and adapting your care routine to meet their evolving needs is key. While kittens may begin to seek out their own spaces or play more independently, they still require your attention and affection. Regular one-on-one time strengthens your bond and reassures them of your presence. Health monitoring remains a critical aspect of their care. Even if your kitten appears healthy, subtle changes in appetite, energy levels, or behavior can be early signs of underlying issues. Regular grooming sessions, such as brushing their coat or trimming their nails, are excellent opportunities to check for any abnormalities like lumps, bumps, or parasites. Cleaning their ears and brushing their teeth should also be part of their routine to prevent infections and dental problems. Transitioning your kitten to adult cat food is another milestone to manage carefully. Around 12 months of age, most kittens are ready to switch to a diet designed for adult cats. Consult with your veterinarian to ensure the transition is gradual and tailored to your cat's specific needs, especially if they have any health conditions or dietary sensitivities. If you've raised your kitten alongside other pets, maintaining harmony in the household is crucial. Continue to facilitate positive interactions and monitor relationships between animals. Even as kittens grow into adults, maintaining their social skills with both humans and other pets will help them remain confident and adaptable. Building a lifelong connection with your cat involves not just providing for their basic needs but also understanding their unique personality and preferences. Over time, you'll come to recognize their favorite sleeping spots, preferred toys, and ways of communicating with you. By responding to their cues and nurturing their individuality, you create a relationship based on trust and mutual affection. The journey of raising a kitten is as much about your growth as a pet parent as it is about their development. Each step, from teaching them to use the litter box to watching them take their first playful leaps, contributes to a bond that lasts a lifetime. The care and love you provide during these early stages will reward you with a companion who brings joy, comfort, and endless entertainment for years to come.